How to use eBay promoted listing feature. To use the eBay promoted listings feature, first of all, you have to access your marketing dashboard within the Seller Hub. So go ahead and then launch your device's web browser, tap on the search bar, then type in eBay Seller Hub. Now, once you open the official site, go ahead and proceed to log into your account. Now, within this Seller Hub, you simply have to launch a standard or advanced campaign. This feature increases your item visibility by placing your listings in prominent sponsored slots across eBay searches results and product pages. So to set up the standard campaign, you simply have to head to the marketing tab and then head to the promoted listings, then proceed to create campaign, choose the standard option, then choose the simple selection to pick individual items or bulk section to filter the items by category or price range. Now apply the eBay suggested ad rate for maximum visibility, then launch your campaign. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.